Hello everybody, good morning. I am Elanchitran studying in 9th standard. Now I am living in Siviyarpalayam near Thittuparai at Kangayam Taluka in Tirupur district. Now you are seeing my village near a channel. We have a sugarcane garden and buddy feed. My parents are farmer. They are working in their garden. My village is very beautiful. Natural scenery is available. Basically, my parents seed in Adi and at last harvesting in Thai. Rice is getting from buddy for food. Sugarcane is giving money for family expenses. It is a money plant. Our field is very beautiful and natural climate. I like this field. Also love my village. Our garden is giving some vegetables for food. So our garden is very important for peoples. So my village is great for me. Agriculture is special.